Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be teaching you how to find your account status, which could be the main problem why your views are low on Instagram. Let's get started. First, click your Instagram app. Great. Now click your profile down in the right-hand corner. Now you're on your profile. Now click the three little lines up at the top right-hand corner. Now click Settings and Privacy. Right there. Yes. Now scroll all the way down till you hit the bottom. Now you click Account Status. This is letting me know that nothing is shadow banned, my views would be great, all that stuff. If it's all green, if one of them is orange, then you might need to delete a post or a picture or change your profile, etc. It would let you know. But seems that mine's okay since I just made it a couple days ago, which is great. So always check that before you think that you're shadow banned, because it could just be your content. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to tune in for the next video. Bye!